Okay, we got the Blackvue camera that we finished installing. Everything is hidden. You don't see no wires or nothing. It goes all the way to the back. We put it on the back glass right there. No wires are showing. We had to go a little lower than we usually do because he's got that bar, the whole thing in the outside. So something slides, it doesn't break the windshield. I guess it's if you go hunting or whatnot. But yeah, this is it. Everything is hardwired. You don't see no wires anywhere. This is on a brand new 2025 GMC Denali pickup truck, 1500. So this is another installation here for the dash cam. Whoever buys these Blackvues or any other brand of dash cams, give us a call and we come out. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. You're paying for quality. You're not gonna have a wire going down to a cigarette lighter. You know, everything looks like it came with the truck at the end of the day. That's what you want. You don't want any wires showing or anything. Okay, so our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.